In today's video, we're putting it all together. So there's going to be distribution, there's going to be combining like terms, there's going to be variables on both sides. These are going to be the hardest equations you see this year. Let's get to it. As always, when we see distribution, it is first priority. So in number 49, we start with our -4. We distribute our 8, so 8 times 7x is 56x. 8 times -6 is -48, and all that is equal to 4x. As I hope you see on the left side here, we have some like terms. -4 minus 48 is -52. Now both sides are simplified, we can solve. The smaller x is the 4x, so I'm going to subtract 4x from each side. That's going to be -52 plus 52x equals 0. Another instance where 0 is showing up. Two-step equation at this point. Add 52 to both sides. That's going to get us 52x equals 52. We can then divide both sides by 52 to get x equals 1. In number 50, distribute 30x plus 30 minus 3 equals -8x plus 27. Notice our like terms here, so we can combine. 30x plus 27 equals -8x plus 27. -8x is the smaller x, so we'll bring it over with addition and have 38x plus 27 equals 27. We're going to subtract 27 from each side to get 38x equals 0. And then divide both sides by 38 to get x equals 0. In number 51, the 18 minus 4m is fine. On the right side, we have to distribute first. So -5 times 1 is -5. -5 times +7m is -35m. And the -8 is still there. We do have some like terms over here, so we need to combine them. So we're going to have 18 minus 4m equals -5 minus 8 is -13 minus 35m. Now that both sides are simplified, we can start working to solve. The smaller m is the -35m. When we add it to both sides, we're going to get 18 plus 31m equals -13. We're going to subtract 18 from both sides to get 31m equals -31. We're going to divide both sides by 31 to get m equals -1. In number 52, we've got a lot of distribution to do. 6 times 6x is 36x. 6 times 8 is 48. On the right side, our -8x is there. 6 times 8 when we distribute is 48. 6 times -4x is -24x. Right side can clean up a bit. So we're going to have our 36x plus 48 still on the left. On the right, -8 minus 24 is -32x plus 48. Our smaller x is definitely the -32x, so we're going to add 32x to both sides. 36 plus 32 is 68x plus 48 equals 48. Normal two-step equation now. Subtract 48 from both sides to get 68x equals 0. And divide both sides by 68 to mercifully get x equals 0. In number 53, we're just distributing on both sides. So -2 times n is -2n. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. On the right side, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times negative n is negative 6n. The smaller n is the negative 6n, so we're going to add 6n to both sides to get the n's together. Negative 2n plus 6n is 4n, so we have 4n minus 14 equals 6. Add 14 to both sides to get 4n equals 20. Divide both sides by 4 to get the solution of n equals 5. In number 54, distribute. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times negative 6x is negative 42x. On the right side, the 3 is there. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative 4x is negative 16x. We do have some like terms, so put them together. 7 minus 42x equals 7 minus 16x. The smaller x is the negative 42x, so we're going to add 42x to both sides. That gets us 7 equals 7 plus 26x. This looks like it's going to not be great because of the 26, but everything's going to be just fine, and you'll see why right now. Subtract 7 from both sides, and we get 0 equals 26x. We like it when 0 shows up. Divide both sides by 26, and 0 is equal to x.